The phone I have in my hand is the 14 Ultra, which was released by Xiaomi last year. It's not much fun and basically not that different from the 13 Ultra, but the 15 Ultra is different. The camera system has changed dramatically and the Snapdragon 8 Elite in this phone is quite powerful than its predecessor. From the outer design to internal upgrades, every aspect has me genuinely excited. Before it officially goes on sale, let's get to know this beast, starting with the unboxing and hands-on experience. Oh, did I mention Geek Wheels already have this photography powerhouse up for pre-sale? If you don't want to wait for the global launch, check the link below. The front side of the box is no different than before, but on the side there is a new Ultra logo in the same font as the SU7 Ultra Supercar. When you open the box, the accessories inside are still the same: car pin, manual, and case, but the case is now made of a transparent PC. Then there's a USB A to C cable and the 90-watt charger. That's all the accessories. Without a doubt, for the design alone, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra deserves a thumbs down. The ironic camera layout looks like something my second-grade nephew would do. I'm sure someone will tell me in the comment section this arrangement is inevitable in order to cram those large sensors in it. In architectural speak, it's called form follows function. I totally understand all these points, but it is undeniable that it is ugly. When you spend close to $1,000 on a phone like this, only to have friends mock it, you won't feel any sympathy for Xiaomi's designer who created this piece of crap at this moment. Strangely though, after spending just a few hours with it, I found it growing on me. I guess that's the power of habit. Aside from the camera layout, I kinda like those aspects of it. Like the standard version, the 15 Ultra frame extends to the back panel as well. It's still very comfortable to not feel the seams on your fingers. Though I've always been critical of vegan leather materials, I must admit that I'm genuinely fond of the two vegan leather editions this time around. They look like some old cameras, old school but premium, and I will probably pick one of them for our review. The white and black versions each have their own features as well. The white has curved strips on the back cover, while the black has a red ring around the camera. All the colors look great, which is rare in the history of Xiaomi phones. The weight also has been optimized by Xiaomi, so the top side is not overly heavy. While not as ergonomic as standard or Pro models, it's surprisingly comfortable for an ultra-class device. But what camera specs can justify this visual chaos? A 1-inch main camera sensor. Oh, the telephoto camera sensor is a 200 megapixel HP9 and still the 70mm lens. The lenses are all coated with all sorts of new technology that reduces all sorts of flare. Each camera is capable of recording 8K video. This really makes it the most powerful camera system available. Especially this 100mm telephoto camera is the strongest one we've ever seen on paper. Even the Vivo X100 Ultra has to take a back seat. But there are 3 downgrades you need to be aware of here. 1. The variable aperture of the main camera has been removed. 2. The ultra-wide-angle camera sensor has gotten weaker. 3rd, the 100mm telephoto doesn't support macro photography. How these compromises affect the real-world performance, stay tuned for our full review, and I promise you, you won't need to wait long. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra rightfully uses a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with a couple of chips in there for signal boosting and satellite communications. The display is the same as the 15 Pro, a 2K 120Hz quad-curved screen that's nothing special. The battery is 6,000 mAh, which isn't particularly large, but it's a significant increase over the previous gen. It's the charging that hasn't changed at all, so those hoping for faster charging may be disappointed. The new photography kit has a major upgrade this time as well. 2 color schemes, metal thumbs grip, replaceable shutter button, bigger built-in battery, and IP54 waterproofing are all very appealing for photography enthusiasts. To make the Xiaomi 15 Ultra complete, we have of course pre-ordered this new photography kit. Remember to subscribe to our channel and I'll let you know if it is worth buying or not in the full review. Since the hardware has been upgraded, surely the price will be as well, right? But surprisingly, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra starts at about $895 in China, which is the same as the 14 Ultra. Still pricey, but now packing with more value. Remember, Geek Wheels can ship it to your doorstep. The link to buy it is below the video. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you soon.